In this tutorial, I will show you how to create an off-canvas menu in the WordPress block editor using an off-canvas block plugin. Let's learn how to create it quickly. The off-canvas plugin mentioned here is a paid tool, offering powerful features to create sleek and responsive off-canvas menus. Let's get started. After installing and activating the off-canvas plugin, go to the site editor. Next, select the item you want to include in your off-canvas menu. Go to the block inserter in the top toolbar and add an off-canvas block. Add the navigation block inside the off-canvas block and style it the way you want. Once you're satisfied with your menu setup, save your changes and preview your website. You now have an off-canvas menu that smoothly slides into view, providing easy navigation for your users on both mobile and desktop devices. You can find the plugin link in the video description. Subscribe for more interactive tutorial videos.